Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the powerful features of the VEVOR 66FT by 5/8 inch drain cleaner machine. A robust solution for tackling tough clogs with its premium quality 65 steel cables designed to resist breakage, twisting, and corrosion, making it ideal for pipes ranging from 1.6 to 4 inches. This machine is equipped with a manual feeding control system and CW control, allowing you to effortlessly manage the cable for efficient cleaning. With 7 quick change cutters, it's versatile enough to clear blockages in toilets, sinks, and floor drains, making it perfect for homes, offices, and public spaces. The powerful 250W motor, featuring a copper wire design, ensures superior conductivity and high efficiency, tackling even the toughest clogs with ease. Built with high-strength industrial plastic, this drain cleaner is designed for durability and reliability, making it a dependable choice for maintaining clear pipelines in both commercial and residential settings. Whether you're dealing with stubborn clogs or routine maintenance, the VEVOR drain cleaner machine is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and long-lasting results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.